Here are some big ideas to keep in mind when you work with equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions have the same value but a different form. Multiplying by a form of 1 creates that equivalent fraction. Multiplying by a form of 1 does not change the value, but it does change its form. Wait, isn't that some kind of property of multiplication or something? What's it called? Oh yeah, thanks Kropi, the identity property of multiplication. In this Math Minute, we are going to explore how you can find equivalent fractions using a numerical method. We'll use the model to help us understand why it works and how it connects. Here I have a model of 1/3. If I multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same number, 2/2, I know that fraction 2/2 is equivalent to 1 whole. I know that no matter what I multiply by 1, the value will stay the same. Now here the numbers look different, but the value is the same. I will show you in the model. So 1/3 times 2/2, 2/6. So if I take this and split, I see now this model 2/6 is absolutely equivalent to 1/3. Numerically, multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by a fraction equal to 1 partitions the fraction into smaller parts. So look, we can see that this fraction 2/6, right? We can see that it has more parts. Look, the whole is broken into more parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The unit is 1/6. But because the size of each part is smaller, I know it would take 2 of these 6 to be equivalent to just 1/3. What's that you said? You prefer a number line as a model? I got you. Let's do some more equivalent fraction work. Here I see the number line is broken. Let's see, the whole is partitioned into 4 parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I see 1/4. Now let's say I actually want the same value, but I want to triple the number of parts because I see I only have one part here. All right, well if I'm going to triple it, I know triple means 3. If I want to have 3 times as many parts, let me multiply by 3/3. 3/3 is a fraction equivalent to 1 whole. Now numerically, I would say that 1/4 is equivalent to 3/12. Well, let's prove it. Let's then take each fourth and make 3 times as many pieces. Not the most equal thing in the world, Miss Reeve. Well, now let's see if our denominator in fact is 12. Is my whole broken into 12 parts? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now here, I see how many 12ths are actually represented. 1, 2, 3. All right, so 3/12 is in fact equivalent to 1/4.